The nice thing about these Android tablets is that you can connect it to almost any keyboard and mouse, as long as they have Bluetooth. I have a wireless Bluetooth keyboard here, so let's start with this. I could actually just connect this through a USB-C cable and plug it directly to my tablet. With the wired connection, it'll start working automatically. To use this wirelessly, I'll first double-check and make sure the keyboard is powered on. Each keyboard will have some sort of power button, so check that. Make sure it's powered on, and put in pairing mode if your keyboard has a toggle for that. Once the keyboard is on, I'll go to Settings on my tablet and then tap Connections. From there, I'll tap Bluetooth, and my tablet will scan for nearby available devices. You should see the keyboard listed under Available Devices, and sometimes it might display an unusual name like mine does here. I'm using an Apple keyboard here, and I've noticed these are kind of finicky when it comes to pairing them with non-Apple devices. And sometimes, the keyboard will only show up here if it's connected to a power source. Anyways, tap the device to pair it. You might see a passkey like this, which is designed to confirm you're pairing the correct device. My keyboard doesn't require me to type any codes to confirm, but depending on what type of Bluetooth pairing method your keyboard uses, sometimes you might need to type that code on your keyboard to confirm the connection. After that, I can use my keyboard to navigate and type on my tablet. If I go back to the Bluetooth settings, I can tap the little gear icon next to my keyboard and rename it to something more descriptive, so it's easier to find within my other Bluetooth devices. Keyboard shortcuts and other similar functions are also customizable. On my Samsung tablet, those can be found under General Management, and in there, you'll see a menu for Physical Keyboard. On Pixel and stock Android devices, you'll find this under Settings, System, Keyboard, and Physical Keyboard. To pair a mouse with your tablet, the steps are basically the same. I'll power on my wireless Bluetooth mouse, and it'll show up in my Bluetooth settings. I'll tap the mouse to connect to it, and once my tablet establishes the connection, I can control everything with my mouse. One thing I've noticed that by default, my mouse is way too fast and sensitive, and it's also pretty hard to see when I'm using the dark mode on my laptop. But again, under General Management, and this time under the mouse and trackpad settings, I can adjust all my mouse-related settings. I can change the pointer and wheel scrolling speed, as well as change the pointer size and color, and with a few careful adjustments, this gets much better and easier to use. That's basically it. I can navigate with the mouse, and even the brightness and volume buttons on my keyboard work right out the gate, just like they're designed. Give it a go, let me know how it works, and then go click that like button if this video helped you. Thanks all, make sure to subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you in the next video.